Hey guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making meat manicotti. To begin, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 1 pound of lean ground beef, followed by 1 pound of ground pork. Go ahead and break up the meat and saute until the meat turns brown. Then add in 1 medium-sized onion, diced. Saute the onion until it becomes translucent, about 2 minutes. Add in 5 cloves of garlic, minced. Saute until the garlic becomes fragrant, about 1 minute. Then add in 1 teaspoon of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of oregano, a quarter of a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a cup of red bell pepper diced, half a cup of green bell pepper diced as well, 2 tablespoons of fresh Italian parsley. Now go ahead and incorporate the spices and the vegetables in. Then add in 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, followed by 1 cup of tomato sauce. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. And after simmering for 30 minutes, most of the liquid should have evaporated. And to finish it off, add in 1 tablespoon of fresh basil. At this point, you may taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. The ground meat is done. Now let's work on the manicotti. Now over high heat, in a large pot of hot boiling water, add in 1 teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This will prevent the pasta from sticking to each other. We are using 1 box of manicotti pasta. We're going to boil it as directed on the package for 9 minutes. And after 9 minutes, go ahead and drain the pasta. Then place on a cooling rack and let it sit for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. After the pasta has cooled down, in a 9x13 baking dish, spread out 1 cup of tomato sauce, then on top of the sauce, spread out 1 thin layer of the ground meat, then with a teaspoon, stuff each manicotti with the meat very gently. Then transfer them onto the baking dish. But I'm sure you already knew that, right? I would hope. Now we are using 1 cup of tomato sauce on top, and 1 cup of freshly grated mozzarella cheese. Now place in the center of your 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. And if everything goes according to plan, your meat manicotti should look like this. You may garnish with fresh Italian parsley. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, meat manicotti. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.